Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a unique concept. That is, in this video you are going to get different stylized patterns of hand embroidery patterns along with the hand embroidery work and hand embroidery design patterns that is being shown to you. So this is a two-in-one treat that if you are looking for hand embroidery designs along with hand embroidery patterns, so this video treat is absolutely for you. And now I'm going to share that which type of embroidery stitches you can use for making the whole embroidery pattern. Different stylized uses of these embroidery patterns along with thread work is being shared. You can use them equally for hoop art, for decoration, for gift purposes, for beginner-friendly embroidery stitches, for dress designing, for cushion embroideries, for pillow embroideries, for different type of DIY home decor items. And the creativity is unique in itself. As much as you want to design, and you can make use of it. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end. And if you really like the design ideas of today's video, then don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. With this, guys, allow me to leave and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos onto my channel. And keep loving us, keep watching us, keep liking my content and design ideas. And we never reclaim someone else or care our own. The basic purpose and motive of sharing design ideas with you is to share design and creativity. So thank you so much for watching.